Welcome to my viewers. In this video, I am going to explain to you how to unpack new HP 12A cartridge suitable for HP 1020, 1018, 1012, 110. These printers suitable for HP 12A cartridge. How to unpack the 12A cartridge and place into a printer. This is a 12A cartridge. This is a new one. I am going to unpack this and I am going to install into a printer, right? Okay. First, I am going to remove this and I am going to open this button, right? The cartridge inside will be like this. These two sponges will hold the cartridges, right? I am going to take out this cartridge and I am going to separate this and this. Okay, this is tightly packed. Why they are packing in black cover? Because the drum is which is equivalent to our photo camera film, which is photo camera film that will get exposed in sunlight. So to should not get exposed means it has to be in black cover. It has to be in black cover. So what I am going to do? I am going to remove this. I am going to cut this black cover. Right. So I am going to take out the cartridge out. Okay. So the cartridge will be like this. Okay. This is the new cartridge. One tape is there and two separator. That is drum separator. This is nothing but drum separator. This will separate the drum from the magnetic roller. This will separate the drum from the magnetic roller. So I am going to take out this and I am going to take out this. Finally, I am going to pull out this tape. Pull out this tape. See, if I pull out this tape, it will come out like this. It will come like this. Okay. After that, I am going to insert into the printer. See, this is the printer. Okay. In this printer, I am going to insert the cartridge. In this printer, I am going to insert the cartridge. Take this cartridge. Take this cartridge, okay, and place into the printer. Place into the printer, right? That's all. This is the way to unpack the new cartridge and insert into a printer. This is the way to unpack new cartridge and insert into the printer. Okay. Thanking you. If you like my video, put like, share my videos, and subscribe my channel because every day I am releasing new videos regarding printer service, laptop service, and desktop service. Also, I have released more videos regarding laser and ink cartridges refilling. Laser cartridges, ink cartridges, black and color. Okay, so if you subscribe my channel, you can get immediate updates or intimations immediately. So you can become a service engineer or you can solve your requirements. If you have any new doubts, please specify in comment. Seeing that comment, I can release new video that may be helpful to you to solve your requirements. Also, you can solve the purpose of your friends and relatives and neighbors. Thanking you. Have a nice day. We'll see in the next problem with solution in next session. Have a nice day.